guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I've been here for an hour in my living room and I'm supposed to film a Zara haul, a huge haul. I've spent a little over 1,000 euros. Blame that self-isolation. You know, I don't know, I'm shopping like crazy and I actually enjoy doing like try on hauls. Everything is kind of like uncertain right now. We don't know when we can, you know, like live normal again. And here I am buying all this stuff, not knowing when and where to wear. As I said, I'm here for an hour, not filming this haul yet because guess what I've been doing? Ask me. I've been doing TikTok videos, trying to film TikTok videos. Am I ashamed of that? No. Anyways, I'm going to moonwalk backwards because we have two huge boxes. I asked you guys on stories actually what you guys want to see, you know, for my next haul because I did ASOS already. If you haven't seen that one, I will link it in the description box. Remind, note, my brains. So a lot of you actually said we want to see Zara. Also like H&M, Misguided, but Zara was definitely the most requested and yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind. We have one smaller box right here and a very large one. It's actually a pretty heavy one, so I can't, I mean, I can lift it, but I don't have any muscles left. First thing I see is this coat. I love the color and my husband hates it, but I love that dirty green kind of color. Not super green, but in between beige, green, and gray. Greenish. Oh! That's a new word I came up with. Greenish. How expensive does that sound? If you come across a brand and the name would be Greenish, how beautiful would that be? Okay, so this is the coat. Okay, love these puffy arms. That's the first thing I notice. And obviously these are not the clothes for this, but you have to have kind of like a vision right now. But let's say I have really nice boots or heels. And then we have this beautiful greenish trench coat. I actually also think the color suits me well. These things are annoying, but that's because of how it was folded in the packaging. It kind of reminds me of I've been doing this a lot. So denim jeans. So when it comes to Zara denim jeans, I always have a 40. I know that 40 was too big when I tried on the ASOS denim jeans, but with Zara denim jeans, I am a 40 and probably maybe like even 42. So let me try on this classic mom fit. Ooh! Oh, this looks good. And this feels great around here. I love how high, I can't even speak. I love how high-waisted this is. I have a tummy. With this one, I kind of feel like it pushes it a little bit more down, but like in a good way, not like an annoying way. But if I'm going to sit with this thing, you know, it is going to be in your belly, but the material will probably loosen up a little once you wear it a few times. But so far I love it. Don't do this at home. Yeah, but here you can see how this looks like, and look, it's kind of like straight. A lot of my denim jeans are not really like ripped off anymore, but I do like this one just with the wash and stuff like that. For me, it doesn't have to be so ripped off anymore. I'm just not really into that anymore. I'm getting mature. This is a really nice top. First of all, I love the color and I have a vision for this one. So as you can see, I can't really close the zipper right there, but you have to imagine something like this. I'm not sure. With this one, I do feel like a little, it doesn't feel like that, but it looks like that. But at the same time, I think this can look really chic. I think I have a really nice beige looking trouser, so I'm going to try to combine it with that. This can look a lot better. I've ordered this in size medium, and these are like really nice wide leg trousers, and I love the fabric. It's like, I can't really explain what fabric this is, but it feels really nice, and I think it's not going to be see-through. Let's see this one with this top. I do think this looks way better. The trousers giving me a little bit of a camel toe feeling, which is annoying, but I know why that is happening because I have pretty thick upper legs. So I won't wear something like this just because I just don't think this part looks flattering. Oh, I wish this was a good fit. Also right here, it's pretty thick right here, so it's kind of like pulling everything, which looks a little bit weird around my bottoms. But vision coming through, these colors blend so beautiful with each other. Imagine wearing your hair like this, some gold hoops, a really nice bag and some minimalistic shoes. I think this is going to look really great. I also think this looks really chic and expensive and kind of like I own a yacht with my Zara clothes. I wasn't really sure about the color because I actually never wear a color like this because I just think I look like a caramel chocolate already. So if I would have a tan, you know, my skin color is kind of like the same, my hair color is kind of like the same, my makeup looks kind of like the same. So I'm just like this monochromatic walking thing. So I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of this color, but I like the dress so much, and I really like this effect right here because it gives you, you know, a little bit of a waist. There's a split, maybe a little too high. No, the split is okay. The split is fine. And I actually already knew this, but I'm not sure about this color. I just really love how this fits. It's kind of like casual, but chic at the same time. So, again, it looks really expensive. For some reason, it reminds me of Morocco. I've never been there, by the way, but it's just has this vibe. Beautiful, pottery kind of color vibes. So you guys have to help me out with this. Can I rock this color? Or do I look like mud? Oh! Didn't think I could pull it off because of you know, my tummy, but I do think if I would like wear shapewear, you know, I can definitely pull it off. And doesn't this remind you of something? This reminds me of Aaliyah all the way. There's a split right here, like what you do to get to me if I let you in. Da-na-na-na-na-na. My legs are shining, my legs are giving light because I'm so pale. But this is Aaliyah all the way. I don't think you're ready for this dance. I don't think you're ready for this. Woo! My dopamine levels are getting up, which means I really, really like something. Can you imagine that this is going to be even more bomb? Because I had a vision for this dress. I have plans for this baby. So this is kind of like a tweed, Chanel-ish kind of tweed vibe. Usually I'm not a huge fan of the tweed look, or not the material, but like the look of it. Like the jackets, for example, I do think they sometimes can look a little old-fashioned or a little bit more, you know, for mature women. But this dress looks so chic, and I don't think it was like that expensive at all, but it looks freaking expensive. I love the padded shoulders as well, and this I do have to wear like a skin color underwear or like shapewear, then your waist can look really snatched in this. I'm not a curvy girl, but I do think this dress can accentuate, you know, a little bit of waist and a little bit of hips, especially with, apparently this belt is a little too big. I should have got the smallest one. Can't believe I'm saying that. Should have got the smallest one. Excuse ma. I love this so much. 100% keeping it. Again, when I wear, I don't know, but she's mine. Don't pay attention to this because, you know, it's too big, but hi outfit. How are ya? Oh, wow. Freaking comfortable. Don't mind this mess. The laptop is my like viewfinder so I can see myself. Anyways, hey outfit. I'm going to keep everything. According to Marie Kondo, we need two things. Does it make you happy and does it have a function? Yes, it makes me happy. Yes, it has a function. And making me happy is also a function. So, you know. There's nothing wrong with this denim kind of dress. But it's just not like, I don't know, it's like nothing special. And it also, I kind of look like a nurse. Maybe slightly big, but even then, I just don't think this dress has something like special, you know. Maybe you can style it with some boots and make it a little bit more... Not feeling this one. No. I cannot remember ordering this dress, but apparently it comes with a belt. I don't know, but this Zara haul makes me feel like I have a tiny waist. And I'm here for it because everything is a bit too big, you know. But that would be weird actually, because I think I ordered this in size medium, but if I would go a little smaller, I mean, I could handle that, but what if you have like a size medium but your waist is like a size small? Then what are you going to do with the belt? I don't know what it's called, but I do have like a machine that I can make like extra holes in belts, but let's say this is a little bit like this. I'm not sure about this one. I do think it's a cute summer dress, especially if you don't know what to wear. I would probably wear this with sneakers. I know moi. I think I would like wear this for a couple of times, maybe not like maybe like 2 times, and then I would, you know, be done with it. So no. Does it make me happy? Does it have a function? Actually, I think she would. I'm not sure if those were the questions actually. Anyways, it doesn't really make me happy. So next we have this outfit. Let me start with the jeans. So these are very stretchy. I ordered this in size 40. Again, I'm not a huge fan of these thick upper legs. We're working on that. So I'm not sure if I would like wear something like this, but the only reason I've ordered this denim jean is because, so this is the only reason I actually ordered these. You either hate that or you love it. Hate it or love it, I actually really love a split leg because I think it looks so much more interesting. It makes your leg look longer. If I would wear something like this without split legs and I would throw on some sneakers or some heels underneath it, it would be like, okay. But if it has a split leg, it's instant fashion. It's like, woo! I'm not sure if I would keep it because I don't think it looks really flattering on me. We all have that one thing that we can be like annoyed with. It's not really annoyed actually, it's just something that I just simply don't like. This top, I ordered this because I love a cutout simple top. I do think it makes everything look a little bit more instant fashion. I do have to say this, I do think it can look really cheap or really nice and bougie. With this one, I do think it looks really nice, but the only thing I'm confused with is obviously I'm wearing a bra. So let's say you are wearing stickers, like nipple stickers or whatever you're wearing. You will have a lot of side boob. I don't think I will feel like comfortable in that. Other than that, this top is really nice and amazing and revolve-ish again. Then I cannot remember ordering this thing. I never wear green and suddenly I'm all about green. Okay, so this is a size small. Oh. I wasn't expecting that at all. I'm not a huge fan of the fabric, I think, because it's a little shiny. But do I look sophisticated? Hell yeah. Does it look chic? Hell yeah. Am I loving the color? Hell yeah. Love. I really love this. Let me check the price. Oh, there's no price. But I will link everything in the description box below. I do think this one can be a little bit more expensive. Just a feeling I have. But with Zara, you never know. With Zara, I'm not sure if I'm the only one. But every time I scroll through Zara, like I like to order quite a lot on Zara just because I feel like I have the option to return everything in case I want to. And I don't want to pay a lot of shipping costs. I just don't think it's efficient to spend a lot of shipping costs and to wait for your packages and all those boxes that you get. Not efficient. So you would say, like, if I'm ordering a lot, that I scroll through their whole website, right, checking out their trousers, tops, shoes, everything. And then, like, for example, I see my sister and then she's wearing a top and I'm like, wow, that looks so nice. Where did you get it? And she's like, Zara. And I'm like, when? She's like, last week. I'm like, what? I haven't seen that one. Now I got this dress and I got this bag and I've never seen those items and it's not new and it's just so weird to me. I don't know if you guys have that as well, but I'm like, Zara, you're playing with me? You're playing with me? I also got this top. This one was really cheap. It's like 18 euros in size medium. And you would think like, what am I supposed to do with this top? But I think this will look really nice with some denim jeans and like a white blouse. And then this one, it's a little bougie looking, right? A little chic. This is not a combo at all. Just seeing if it fits. It fits nicely, but I thought it was going to be a little longer. So I think I have to go a few sizes up with this one. I ordered a size medium, but I don't want it to look perfect. I want to have this oversized. You know what I mean. Got 2 more things left. Obviously I'm not a fan of this combo. I do like denim with denim, but you know, this is not a good color denim. So this is actually the first jean I tried on because I wanted to see how it would look like with this denim blouse jacket kind of thing. I actually really love it. I love the fact that it's kind of like baggy and oversized. I love the color. I love the fact that this is like a click button. Do you call it like that? I think it's kind of like a must-have because if you don't know what to wear or you just don't feel like really dressing up, then you can just always wear something like this. Nice bag, some sneakers, and you're good to go. I actually think the color is also really nice with my skin tone or hair color or whatever. I just like this color on me. I didn't know I ordered another color of this top, but apparently I did, and this is a little bit more white and the other one was a little bit more beige. I don't know about this top. There's kind of like a hate-love relationship with me in this top. Like, I can't explain it. I can't explain it, so need your help on this one. Yeah. Last but not least, I ordered these boots. You know, the chunky boots you see all over my Instagram. I'm actually super happy I sent them back because I got it and I thought it was too big, like too chunky for me. And then for a second, I actually regretted that I sent it back, but at the same time, I'm super happy right now because I see everyone in the same boots, and I don't mind seeing everyone like in chunky boots. But hello, I'm inspired by the chunky boot trend, but I don't like to see like, hey, that one's from Zara, you know what I mean? Like, hey, that one's from Mango or H&M or whatever. But I did like this one. Here we have kind of like a, I don't know what this is called in English, like a, it's not a rope, but I don't know what this is called. Lace? Yeah, laces. We have some laces right here. I already have one on. It feels really comfortable because, you know, it's also leather. I have size 38, which is UK size. I can't remember, but I think US size is 7. But this makes my feet look really, really big. They are so chunky. I'm not used to it. I also don't like the fact that it's a little shiny, but we have to keep in mind that the light hits my shoe right now, so it doesn't look like that once the lights are off. And I do have to say that the zipper is not the best quality because I feel like the zippers are going to give up really soon. So I'm not sure if I like that. I don't like to wear it like this. Maybe with the first coat that we've tried, you know, the long trench coat. I'm so out of breath. I have no idea why. Try on haul honestly are exhausting. They're like gym for me, okay? I love seeing them on others, but once I put them on, I'm like, yeah, I can totally rock this. And then I put them on and I think, they're really chunky. But they are like really, really chunky, you know? So, yeah, I have to get used to that. That was my Zara haul. I hope you guys liked it. I actually really liked reading all of your comments under my ASOS try on haul video. And, you know, it makes my heart a little warm and melt a little because I'm happy you guys are enjoying these videos. And this time I feel like I'm really surprised in like a really good way. Zara has some amazing things. Some of the things are like, so make sure to hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my other videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of my other videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and see you guys in the comment section below. Bye!